Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about analogical operator. So think about scenario of selecting to some kind of a job. Let's say we need to fulfill two requirements for selecting to this particular job. One is we should have a degree. The second one is we need to pass the skill test which held by that particular job company. So let's implement this same example as a program to understand this and logical operator. So let's open our Visual Studio Code. Here I am inside my project directory and let's create a new file. Let's call this and underscore operator then .py extension. Here I put a print statement, and inside this print statement let's give a topic to our program. Let's say job selecting program. At the end of the string let's put new line character. Now let's introduce two variables for holding the requirements. First one let's call has underscore degree. For now I put true here. Then again let's create a variable called is skill test underscore pass. Again I put true here for now. Then the important part, which is decision making part. Here I put if statement. In the previous videos we are only using one condition right after the if statement, but here we need to focus on two requirements at the same time. Here let's put the first condition has degree. Then we need to check the second condition. We have mentioned earlier we need to fulfill both these requirements for select to the job. So now I put and keyword here. Then I put is skill test variable here. You can see here I combine these two requirements using this and logical operator, because we need to fulfill these both requirements at the same time for select that particular job. Here I put print statement, and inside this print statement let's say you are selected to the job. Otherwise in the else part, and this means one or both these requirements are not satisfied. So let's put print statement here and let's copy this string and let's paste here. Here we should change this to you are not selected to the job. Okay, so let's run this program several times by changing these values of the variables. Okay, let's run this program. First time we got you are selected to the job, because this time we are fulfill both these requirements. Then let's change this value to false. Now we are unable to fulfill one of these requirements. Now let's run this program. Now it says you are not selected to the job, because if we need to selected to the job we need to fulfill both these requirements in the same time. Okay, now let's finally change this value to false. Now we are unable to fulfill both these requirements. Now let's run this program. Finally we got the you are not selected to the job as the output because we are unable to fulfill both these requirements. So this is what we have to learn in analogical operator. So this is for today guys. Let's meet on next video.